Alright. Alright, so, what's going on, guys? This is Kevin. This is Kevin Trash Trucks and Mail Trucks here. So here we have, Mail Truck, United Postal Truck, 1256-518. That's the regular truck. That's the regular, mail truck that comes to our house. Just so you guys know. Alright, just wanted to get a quick film of it coming down the street. I haven't done that in a long time, but alright, so I just wanted to get a quick film of the State's Postal Truck. Alright, we'll end the video here. Okay, alright, so I will be making another video with my toy trash trucks in action. Tomorrow it would be my new 58 garbage truck. Yeah, so just letting you guys know about that. So we'll be making another trash truck in action video tomorrow with my new 58 Condor one. Okay? Alright, catch you guys that video tomorrow. Alright, peace out.